Welcome, welcome, welcome. Anisai. Here is konkomba study room. Dochena ye Likpakpaln abem adipon. Our last lesson was 1, 2, 3 in konkomba. Takoko abem na ye mba linta akan kinya Likpakpaln pon. Today we are coming to study, or we are coming to learn spellings. Din today tinambai Nŋmaŋmeebil aganm kinya Likpakpaln pon. Libobil ayo libobil ka Nŋmaŋmeebil aganm nkatabambede. Before we start, kindly follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and we are also on WhatsApp. Our name is Likpakpaln to the world. Likpakpaln to the world. Upii na ngange yora taki dite. Tebe Facebook wo, kebe WhatsApp wo, kebe YouTube wo. Age kan teta yembele ye Likpakpaln to the world. Subscribe, like our page, and you will get all the information at any point we put across. Aya getike click dite you mo come to the public danaka again wonto. Okay, let's start from here. Chati pindu. Ba be a ba be a ba. Nga ng a nga ng a nga. Jo je o jo je o jo. Drop je o be drop. Uja u je a uja. U je a uja. Ubo u be o ubo. U be o ubo. Ubo u be o ubo. U be o ubo. Nte nte e nte nte. Gang g a ng gang. Gang g a ng gang. Jin je i jin je i jin. Upii u pe i Upii. U pe i Upii. Uŋoob u ng o be Uŋoob. U ng o be Uŋoob. Unaa. 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 Lipuul. 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 Bɔfam. 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 Ugiin. 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 Uge. Ugiin. Uge. Ugiin. Ugbeer. Ugbeer. Uge. Ugbeer. Uge. Ugbeer. Lituln. 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 Tikpaan. 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 Thanks so much. This is the end of our today's lesson. You will hear from us next week. We'll bring more excited one. Thank you very much. And God bless you. And God bless you for your time. Takoko abe mo no. Likpakpaln chona tege ke jone ne mo ke jirkina na ke joti ne. Anil tun pam ka pelte, anil tun pam na yuen, mwara ngatu nyoku biawo. But before I leave, let me use this opportunity to thank these people for their great support to Likpakpaln to the world. Nyana ngange chandi donk di ti binwe ne ba kwa ba ke tir Likpakpaln to the world ne kenya ne ba mu chibuna. Ubaye umbarbe azindo Victor. Umbarbe azindo Victor. Unkumye Honorable David Nabor. Sorry. Honorable David Nabor. Unkumye Ntiki Alexander. Umabe Kuwait. Ntiki Alexander. Umbarbe azindo Victor. Uyimbedan David Nabor. Ne Alexander Ntiki. Likpakpaln to the work in doing Lituln pam. Thanks for your time and God bless you. But before that, please like our videos, our page, share to your friends and your partners, so that everybody can get in touch with it and learn with it. Nyana ngange lige kiyo tiana beti akpamba mbabi nkpimba ka Nŋmaŋmeebil Likpakpaln ndwana tab kategiginye. If any comment, put it, or no question, put it in the box, the comment box, and we'll reply you. Thanks for your time and God bless you and God be with you. Anu tunpam mwale bachi klibachi. Niye anabu mungu ile mwa Joseph Finlena. Niye Likpakpaln to the wa munchate barwandune katineze. It is your brother Nŋmaŋmeebil Joseph speaking, and it is Likpakpaln to the world that is bringing this information to us. Thank you for your time and God bless you and God be with you. Bye bye.